Hey curl friends, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm coming to you guys with a natural hair protective style tutorial. I know y'all are probably so excited because I know y'all don't really like extensions that much. I really wanted to protective style. I was actually going to add an extension with this, but I figured, you know what, when I started like brushing out my hair, I was like, I might as well just leave my own natural hair for this. So I've done this hairstyle before, but I've never filmed it for you guys. I thought this would be the perfect time to share with you guys how I do my mini braids. I have not done this since maybe about 4 months natural. So it's so cool seeing my hair like this now, because when I first did it, my hair was super short. I didn't have no kind of hang time. Now I could do all sorts of styles and all kind of craziness with it. So I'm only using one product for this entire hairstyle. My hair was already prepped and styled before I went ahead and did these braids. So go ahead and stay tuned if you guys like to see how I got to this point. I'm starting off with freshly washed, pretty much stretched hair. I went ahead and washed my hair the night before and braided my hair down into 4 large plaits using my homemade shea butter cream. I'm just going to go ahead and detangle and loosen out all of the kinks and curls in my hair right now just by using a large paddle brush to detangle. This is going to be a really long and tedious process, so you want to make sure that you are giving yourself as least work as possible. So I'm using the end of a rat tail comb to separate my hair into 4 large sections. I'll have 2 in the front and 2 in the back. Y'all already know how I like the section. And I'm going to start one section at a time for this hairstyle. Altogether, this took me about 4 hours to complete, about an hour per section. By the time I was done, the sun was setting. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the back section. As you guys can see, I have my 4 large sections. I started with the back because I figured it'll be a lot more easier since I'm doing this on myself. And I'll just use the end of the rat tail comb to guide me to create as much straight as possible parts. You guys know it's really hard to part straight lines on your own head. I'm using one product for this entire hairstyle. Like I said, I'm using the Eco Styler Gold. I thought it would be perfect for this hairstyle because we are protective styling. I wanted something that's going to not only keep in the moisture in my hair, but also seal my ends. That way my hair is not dry and thirsty throughout the week and a half to 2 weeks I'm going to leave this in. The Eco Styler Gold Gel has olive oil, shea butter, black castor oil, flaxseed, pretty much everything that my hair flourishes on. So this is going to be a great protective style. Now, as you guys can see, I'm just parting straight across using the end of my rat tail comb. And then the teeth of the comb is what I'm going to use to guide me to create the little squares for these box braids or mini braids. If you can get some help, you can get some pretty perfect squares if that's your thing. For me, I just wanted a protective style. I didn't really care if it was like perfect squares or not. As long as I got them in my head, I only planned on keeping them in for about 2 weeks or so. So I'm just using the Eco Styler Gold to coat my hair strands and braid them all the way down to the ends. And when I get down to the ends, I'm making sure to twirl the ends to seal that braid into place. You don't want your hair to be loosening at all, and you also want a nice polished finish. So you're pretty much encouraging the curls by twirling or shingling it at the ends, and it's going to stay for quite some time. So like I said, I left this in my hair for about 2 weeks or so. It lasted me pretty well. My hair got pretty frizzy pretty fast. You guys know I live in the South, so it's really humid out here, and hairstyles like this don't last very long, but I think this is going to be my go-to hairstyle for this summer. I can't even lie. Wash and goes and these protective mini braid styles are going to be my thing this summer. I'm really interested to know what you guys are doing this summer and what do you plan on doing with your hair. Every summer I'm like clueless as to what to do with my hair. It's too hot to deal with natural hair, and I never really know what to do. So let's know what you guys are doing with your hair this summer. I'm finishing off the final touches for this hairstyle with some hair polish. This is from Originals by Africa's Best, and it's just an olive oil polish spray. It pretty much just finishes off the entire hairstyle, give you a nice natural luster, and my hairstyle is complete. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching me sit here for about 4 hours. I know you guys are going to see it for only 5 minutes, but it took me 4 hours to complete this entire thing. I love my end results. Like I said, I kept it for the 2 weeks. I just used a daily moisturizing type of spray. It's a really lightweight spray to spray my hair throughout the week. and I oil my scalp throughout the week to keep my scalp nice and fresh. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to become a curl friend.